Vitamin D is an important component of the calcium metabolism in the body. So if we have low vitamin D, we don't have correct calcium metabolism. Now, vitamin D is dependent upon exposure to sun. So if we don't get exposure to sun, we're not converting the precursor to vitamin D into vitamin D in the body. And lack of vitamin D has been implicated in progression and development of scoliosis. This is why there's only one demographic group in the world that has a higher incidence of scoliosis, and that's Scandinavians. And it's believed it's because they have very little vitamin D in their body because they're living in darkness for a significant part of their life. So here we recommend people to supplement with calcium and vitamin D. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.